Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Honda HR-V headlight. First, gather your tools, a Phillips head screwdriver, and your new bulb. It's crucial to wear protective gloves to prevent oils from your skin from damaging the new bulb. Always make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down before you begin any work. Safety first. Now, open your Honda HR-V's hood and find the headlight assembly. You'll typically see a few retaining clips or screws holding it in place. Carefully remove these fasteners. Once they are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. This will give you enough space to comfortably reach the back of the bulb and its connections. With the assembly accessible, disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb. It usually just pulls straight off. Next, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from its socket. Be careful not to force it. Now, take your new bulb, holding it by the base, and insert it into the socket, twisting clockwise until it feels secure. Avoid touching the glass. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb. Carefully push the headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring all clips and screws are resecured. Before closing the hood, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working properly. If it is, you're all set. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the description below. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.